Happy Halloween! My name is Miss Rochelle, and today I'll show you how to make a paper pumpkin and a haunted window. Join me in the art studio, and I'll show you how to make these spooky crafts. The materials you will need to make a paper pumpkin are a ruler, 2 fasteners, pencil, scissors, green and orange construction paper, and a marker is optional. The first step is to take the orange construction paper and create 8 strips of paper. You're going to use a ruler to mark the lines for each strip. Each strip is going to be about 1.5 inches wide. So you're going to make a mark every 1.5 inches. Then after you have each mark, you can take the ruler, line it up, and then draw a line. And do this until you have 8 strips. After you do it, your paper should look like this. Now you're going to cut out each strip. After you cut out your 8 strips of paper, you're going to have a parent help you, and you're going to need to poke a hole 1 inch from the top for each strip. So 1 inch in, take a pencil, you're going to poke a hole right through it, just like that, and do a hole for each one. So each strip is going to have a hole at each end. Now you're going to cut a rectangle out for the stem of your pumpkin. You'll also poke a hole in the stem. Next, place the strips in a circular arrangement, and we're going to hold them together with a fastener. You can take your fastener and push it through the hole. And do that for each strip. Now you're going to take the second fastener and push it through the stem. And now connect it to each one of the orange strips of paper. You open up the fastener. Just spread each one out and then fold the stem up. Now your paper pumpkin is complete. And now if you want to make your cute little pumpkin into a scary jack-o'-lantern, just take a marker and add a jack-o'-lantern face to it. So you can do the eyes. You can make a mouth also. And now you have a jack-o'-lantern. The materials you will need for the haunted window are 6 jumbo popsicle sticks, glue, ruler, black marker, pencil, scissors, white cardstock, black construction paper, and paintbrush and paint are optional. The first step is to paint the popsicle sticks and place them aside to dry. This step is optional. Next, you're going to take the white cardstock and trace your hand. After you cut it out, it will look like this. Next, you're going to take a marker and draw a face for your ghost. You will then take the black construction paper and draw a 5.5 by 5.5 inches square for the back of the window. You're going to take the ghost and place glue on the back of it. Then you're going to place it on the black square. Now you're going to place glue on the back of the popsicle sticks. And glue it to the construction paper. And now your haunted window is complete. I hope you enjoyed making these fun crafts with me. Here's Miss Curita with a Halloween story time.
Thank you, Miss Rochelle, for those spectacular crafts. My name's Miss Curita, and I have some haunting stories for you. But first, let's start off with the song. This is song to She'll Be Coming Around the Mountain. Okay, let's sing it. It's October and it's time to have some fun. Yee-haw! It's October and it's time to have some fun. Yee-haw! Picking apples up so high for a fresh baked apple pie. It's October and it's time to have some fun. Yee-haw! Okay, you ready for the next verse? Okay. We will go trick-or-treating Halloween. Yee-haw! We will all go trick-or-treating Halloween. Yee-haw! saying boo to those who meet, getting lots of things to eat. We'll all go trick-or-treating Halloween. Yee-haw! Okay, friends, thank you so much. Let's start off with our first book. It's called Halloween Jack. Halloween Jack and friends put on their spooky show. A creepy bunch of pumpkin pals with faces all aglow. You see? Oh. Wanda is a wicked witch with crazy purple hair. She waves her wand and casts a spell and looks for kids to scare. Look at Wanda. Are you guys scared? Oh, look at her green face. Sparky comes alive at night when lightning strikes his bolts. Woken from the deepest sleep, by 50,000 volts. Look at Sparky. The scary mummy walks all about, bandaged from toe to head. But he will still give you a wave, despite being quite dead. When everyone is fast asleep in the dead of night, Victor and his vampire bats look for necks to bite. The end. Okay, friends, let's do one more song. Okay, now, I don't know if you guys are scared of spiders. I don't like them. So I have a song. You guys ready? Okay. It's called There's a Spider on the Floor. Let's sing it. There's a spider on the floor, on the floor. There's a spider on the floor, on the floor. There's a spider on the floor. I can't take it anymore. There's a spider on the floor, on the floor. Uh-oh. There's a spider on my leg, on my leg. There's a spider on my leg, on my leg. There's a spider on my leg. Oh, I wish I had some rain. There's some spider on my leg, on my leg. There's a spider on my knee, on my knee. There's a spider on my knee, on my knee. There's a spider on my knee, and it's crawling over me. There's a spider on my knee, on my knee. There's a spider on my tummy, on my tummy. There's a spider on my tummy, on my tummy. There's a spider in my tummy, and it really isn't funny. There's a spider on my tummy, on my tummy. There's a spider on my back, on my back. There's a spider on my back, on my back. There's a spider on my back, and I think he's running track. There's a spider on my back, on my back. Uh-oh, whoops, he fell off. There's a spider on the floor, on the floor. There's a spider on the floor, on the floor. There's a spider on the floor. There's a spider on the floor. There's a spider on the floor, on the floor. I have one more book for us to read. This one is called Wolf's Coming. Oh, this is my favorite book. A distant howl rides the breeze, echoing through all the trees. Hurry, hurry, don't be slow. Follow me, come on, let's go. A shadowy figure climbs the hill, getting close and closer still. Faster, faster, take my hand, run back home like we planned. Wolf's coming. Do you see the wolf? Look at his eyes, look at his teeth. Oh. Shadows lengthen, it's getting late. The wolf is now outside the gate. Quickly, quickly, get inside. Shut the door. Better hide. Uh-oh. The moonlight shines on his fang. His belly growls with hunger pains. Closer, closer, next to me. Pull the shade so he can't see. Wolf's coming. Glowing ember eyes appear, pointing ears strained to hear. Hush now, not a peep. You must be still, like you're asleep. Wolf's here. The front door opens with a creak. Creak! The big wolf leans in for a peek. Tightly, shut your eyes. Can you guys all shut your eyes for me? Okay, good. With all your might, yell, surprise! Laughing, so much fun. Cake and pizza for everyone. Happy birthday, Wolf. The end. Well, thank you guys for joining us for such fun stories. Have a happy Halloween. Bye.